Hello, welcome to PowerShell series. In this video, we are going to do PowerShell practical of a discovery commandlets. There are three discovery commandlet. First one is a get hyphen command. Second is a get hyphen help. Third is a get hyphen member. These are three commandlet that help you to identify and discover the command's properties and method as well as example. First, we have to be open a PowerShell command line cell for practical of a discovery commandlet. To open a PowerShell in Windows operating system, you just have to be search here PowerShell. You will get this icon, Windows PowerShell. Just open it. You will get the PowerShell command line interface. So this is a command line interface. Here you can write any command of a PowerShell. So for example, I'm writing here a very famous command, that is a write hyphen host. So as you know, you can write here command in a capital letter as well as a small letter because it is a non-case sensitive language, right? So here I'm going to be write here hello world. Now it is printing. To print any message or variable, you have to be use this command. So we have to be see the practical of a discovery commandlet. There is a one command that first we have to be see the practical of that command. Get hyphen command. Get hyphen command. Right. This is the command to see how many command is available in a PowerShell. When you hit enter, you will see all the command which is available in your PowerShell. Hit enter. Now you can see how many commands is available. Now you can see these are the command is available. So these are the command you can see. To filter out from these command on the basis of a verb, noun, and modules and so on. So you can also filter out on the basis of a verb, noun, module. So if you want to be see how many command is available for the specific module, you can see using a get hyphen command. If you want to see how many command is related to a specific verb, in that case, you can see also that command from this list of command which you have printed here, right? If you want to see how many commands is related to a specific noun, in that case you can also use this command. So how to see that commands? Let's see that. First we have to see how many verb is available in PowerShell. These verb you can use for making your command or function, right? To making a reference. Get hyphen verb. This is the command to see how many verb is available in PowerShell. Hit enter. Now you can see these are the verb: connect, disconnect, read, send, write, block, grant, protect, revoke, unblock, unprotect, use, ping, wait, unregister, resume, start, stop, enable, disable, install, invoke, register, request, restart, resume, restore, save, sync, unpublish, update, approve, assert, complete, confirm, deny, import, limit, merge, mount, out, publish, restore. So many verb is available. Get, right, move, new, open. These are the verb that you can use, and on the basis of this you can filter out the command, how many command is available related to add, which is starting from verb. You know, every command start from the verb, then hyphen and noun, right? So all command, if you want to see which is starting this add, 1. So you can see that command also with the help of a hyphen get hyphen command. Then you have to use a parameter that is a verb. So make sure whenever you are going to be taken input, so in that case you have to be use a parameter, right? So there is a lot of parameter. So as per your requirement, you can use that. So we'll come back that on that topic, how you can see how many parameters is there and how to use that, right? Let's see first this now, which I'm going to use add. So all the command which is starting with add verb, I want to see that. So hit enter. Now you can see these are the command is available, right? We have listed all the command using a get hyphen command till here, right? So all the command we have a filter out from that. These are the command which is starting with add verb, right? So if you want to see all the command which is starting with new, for example, so it will display these are the command which is starting with new verb, right? If you want to see how many command is available for example import, hit enter. Now you can see these are the command is available with import. If you want to filter out with the help of a noun, so how you can filter out? So get hyphen command, then noun you have to be use a parameter, and after that you have to be use any noun. For example, I'm going to use a host. Hit enter. Now you can see clear host, get host, out host, read host, write host. We have already seen this write host is used to print any message or variable kind of a thing, right? So clear host, what it will do, it will clear your screen, whatever you have showing here, it will clear all these things. So for if you want to see that clear hyphen host, right? Then hit enter. Now you can see your screen has been cleared, right? So I have seen some of the filtration on the basis of verb and noun. Get hyphen command, then noun, and if you want to filter out all the command which is related to process only, so you will see all the command which is having a process now. Hit enter. These are the command which is having a noun process, right? If you want to see all the services command, so you can see that, hit enter. These are the services which is available that is having a noun service, right? If you want to see another thing like a CSV, so you can see also that. So now you can see these are the command which is related to CSV now, right? So all about this, let's clear hyphen host. So it will clear your screen. Hit enter. So it has been cleared. Let's see next discovery command, let that is a get hyphen help. Is a multi-purpose command. First one is very similar to get hyphen command. To see that example, let's see get hyphen help, then name and process. Hit enter, and you can see all the command which having a process, right? So you are able to see all the command which having the process name, right? And if you want to see all the pro services related commands, you can see that also. These are the command which is related to service. So what it is doing here, it is showing all the command which is related to service, right? Here it is showing all the command which is related to process. So it is very similar to get hyphen command. If you want to see all the command which is related to CSV. So let's see for that how to see that. Get hyphen help, then name. What I'm going to use CSV. Hit enter. Now you can see all the command which is having a CSV, right? If you want to see the command which having a get hyphen help, then get. Hit enter. Now you can see a lot of command which having a get, right? So now you can see a lot of command is available. So it is very similar to get hyphen command. So there is another advantage, that is a wildcard. So you can use also wildcard, right? So if you want to use a get hyphen p, then star. So this is a wildcard. It will print which having a get hyphen p in a command. So let's see. These are the command which having a get hyphen p, get hyphen p, get hyphen p, and the or for others character we have use a wildcard star, right? So you can use a wildcard. There is an advantage of a get hyphen help. There is another functionality, that is a, if you want to see the information about the specific command, which kind of an information, like a what is the name, what is the syntax, and what is the alias, and what is the parameters is required. If you want to see that how many parameters is there for a specific command and how to use that, right? So this kind of information if you want to see, in that case you can use a get hyphen help. Let's see get hyphen help, and we have a command get a hyphen command. So I'm going to use this. So if you want to see how many parameter is having for get hyphen command, so you can see that, like I have used some parameter, you can see that also get hyphen help, get hyphen command. So I'm using, I want to be see the all information about get hyphen command. So let's see get, hit it, enter. Now you can see this is the name of my command, and this is the syntax. First you have to use this, and then you have to use a parameter, and which kind of a input you can give to this parameter, object kind of a object kind of a thing you can provide. Here have a hyphen verb. In a hyphen verb you can pass only string, and hyphen down you can pass only string. So these are the syntax. Here have a modules parameter, you can also use a module. So for that you have to be give a input as a string format, right? They have a fully qualified module name, so you can also give this, right? And total count, you can see how many count you want to be see any specific related to command, right? So if you want to be see all the command which is having a verb get, so instead of seeing all the command, so you can see some of the command like a 4 command, 5 command, right? So for in that case you have to use this parameter. And parameter types, so here you can use parameter types, and these are the parameter that you can use and explore yourself, right? And here you can use GCM, instead of writing get hyphen command, you can use alias also. So we'll cover this also later. Now you can see some information, get hyphen cannot find the help files and or this commandlet on this computer. It is displaying only partial help. So if you want to see full information about this command, so you can prefer this link, right? And we have another thing. So you can see and you can go at this link of using this command. So we have used this, and there's a parameter. So if you want to see how many parameters you have in a get help, so you can take an help using a get hyphen help. So get hyphen help, you can, if you want to see the description about the help, you can see that also. Hit enter. Now you can see here get hyphen help, name parameter, path parameter, category parameters, provider parameters, general parameters, help files, string, function, filter, and now you can see some other details like details, right? You can see all the details, and if you want to see other thing, you can explore these things here. Here have a online, right? Online you can use a parameter. If you use this parameter, you will redirect to the online page where you can see much information about any specific command, whatever you are taking help, right? And they have a show window if you want to see this information in a dialog window, so you can see that information. Let's see how to use that. There's some of the information. So there is an health we have take. So get hyphen health and get hyphen command, right? And show window. So you can use a show window and hit it enter. Now you can see you are watching this information in a dialog window instead of a PowerShell command line cell. So here you can find some specific parameter like a parameter, right? So it is displaying that kind of information related. If you want to see only the syntax, so you just type here syntax, you can see this. So these are which one is required, which one is not required, means mandatory. So you can see that also kind of information. Total counts. Now you can see here it is giving a hint here, int. So means you can pass here only integer data type, not a string data type, right? So this kind of information you are able to see syntax as well and output as well. So let's see one more thing about the get help. Instead of a show window, I'm just using a online. Online, if you hit enter, it will redirect to the online Microsoft web page where you will get the some information, instead of some full information about the get command. Hit enter. Now you can see it is redirected to Microsoft website where you will get the information about get hyphen command. Now you can see, so this is the information syntax. You can see these are the parameter is required. You can pass as per your requirement, and they have a description. You can read this also as well, and they have some example. You can see some example here as well, right? So this is all about the thing. If you want to see another parameter, so they have another parameter as well, like a full. If you want to see the full information, just hit and full. And if you want to see here examples only, so you just have to type examples only. And if you want to see only details, full details, so you just have to be enter detail. So now you are able to see the information just to taking and discovering the commands, properties, and all kind of a thing. So you have to be using these commands. So which one is better for you? You have to decide. But I recommend you use get help when you are doing scripting in PowerShell, right? So you can use this get hyphen help and as well as a get hyphen command if you want to be search a command. So you can search command with the help of a get hyphen help, and you can search on the basis of the get hyphen command. This is all about the get hyphen help. Let's see another topic, that is a get member. What is that? So let's clear first screen get hyphen host. You know that this is used for the clear your screen. Hit enter. So now my screen has been cleared. Let's see get hyphen member. Get hyphen member, it's used to see the how many properties of an specific object having and what kind of an actions or function you can perform on that object. For example, you have an integer data type, so what kind of an operation you can perform, that you can add, remove, delete, subtracts, such kind of an operation you can perform. So you have a method for that. So if you want to see is there have a method for this kind of an operations, so you can use get hyphen member, right? So let's hyphen then input, you can put input, and here I'm going to use a string instead of a integer. So let's see hello, sorry, 4 5, it's an integer. Let's hit enter. Now you can see what you can do. you can convert it in 32 64. So these are data types you can convert into double, right? So these are a method that you can perform on a integers object, right? If you want to see for the string, so which kind of a method you can perform, for example, hello, hit enter. Now you can see the length, you can see how much length you have. So you can see the length characters as well as these are the operation you can split, you can start with a substring, boolean, byte. So these are the index, you can perform index related or actions, index of any, insert, you can insert any character inside this hello. So such kind of a method you have if you want to see, so that method is available or not if you are performing any operations and function on a objects. You just have to take a help of a get hyphen member, right? So how you can see, if you want to see the properties and method, so you can see with the help of this. If, let's see get hyphen item, right? So let's see how many properties is there for this. It will return as an object, right? So when it will return as an object, so there isn't some method for that, and there is some properties, right? Let's see. Now you can see there is a one properties and characters, parameter size properties, and these are the operations you can perform on it, right? So this is all about the get happen member. That's it.